Okay, so I'm going to be sharing a very brief business plan, something that you can use if you have a business or if you're thinking of starting up a business and you just want to know the structure of a business plan. Okay, so this is something that you can use, but if you want a more detailed business plan and a financial plan, financial projections, you can just comment and then we can speak via the DM, okay?
So we'll start off by just giving a small definition of what is a business plan, which is a document that defines in details a company's objective and how it will achieve the objective. Okay, so I've listed here my examples of what you should include on the business plan. You could include more or you could include less depending on the type of business that you want to start or you're currently running. So you need to include your mission statement, your SWOT analysis. And after the SWOT analysis, the time frame, the team, your competitors, your financial projections, and the marketing plan. Mission statement could be anything. Maybe that you want your company to have the most competitive price or whatever that you could come up with. So after that, we have your SWOT analysis, which is your strength, weakness, opportunities, and threats. Strengths and weakness is the internal analysis of the business. Opportunities and threats are the external analysis of the business. Strengths is what you think your business is going to do well in. Weaknesses is what you think your business will lack in. Opportunities, this is the benefits of the market that you're going to have, the external factor. And the threats, external factors like political instability, unemployment. I could go a bit more, but I don't want this video to be too long and explain a lot. So this part of your business plan needs to be very accurate. Next is the timeline of the business. So this is where you're just explaining on what goals the company is going to achieve and how long they're going to take to achieve all those goals. So you're just going to create a timeline. Okay, so next you need to decide on what corporate strategy the company is going to use. I can't go into detail on each because it's going to take too much time, but the most popular is product development and diversification. Please comment if you need explanation of any of these corporate strategies. It's just that the video is going to be too long if I'm going to be explaining each of this. So next is the teamwork of your company, the people that you're going to be employing. So you're just going to explain on how everybody's going to work together, how each department is going to work together to achieve the company goals. The next slide is knowing your competitors. This is very important because you need to know your competitors in the market. You need to know what they're doing right, what they're doing wrong, how you're going to be better than them. So at this point here, you need to be very accurate because it's going to show that you know the market that you're entering and you know how you're going to overcome each and every competitor that you have. So on this point of your business plan, you just need to state your predicted sales, prediction of your expenses, projections. So basically here, for you to be able to draft this, you need to know your markets as well as your competitors on how much they are making so that you can also have an idea of how much you're going to make. So the last slide is the marketing plan. This is very important because you could do everything else right, but if this is not right, then your business is not going to be successful. So you need to decide on the marketing plan, your target market, and how you're going to market the business. There's different types of marketing. There's direct marketing, there's TV, there's radio, there's digital marketing, which is commonly most used now. So you need to get this right.
Okay, so as I stated at the beginning of the video that this is just a brief summary of the business plan. If you need anything detailed or a detailed business plan, financial plan, or projections, you can just comment or you can DM and then we can talk about it, okay?